Welcome back to part 2 of making LinkedIn work for you. In the last video, we talked about how to set up your LinkedIn. Choosing the right profile photo, writing a solid headline, building your about section, and connecting with the right people. Basically, how to make your profile look professional. But even the best profile won't work for you if it just sits there. Without activity, you're practically invisible. And the people who post regularly, they get noticed, remembered, and sometimes even hired. So in this video, we'll go step by step through exactly how to do that, what to post, how often, and how to make LinkedIn actually work for you. Let's start with what to post. Most people wait until something big happens, like getting placed or finishing a course before they post. But that's a mistake. You don't need to wait for big wins. Small updates can do wonders. Here's what you can post about. Something new you learned this week, maybe a trick in Python or a data visualization in Tableau. A project you built, show a screenshot or talk about what problem you solved. Reflections or lessons like how debugging taught you patience. Tools or resources you found helpful, or even something as simple as your learning routine or challenges. Remember, your post doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be authentic. Next, let's break down how to write a LinkedIn post that actually grabs attention. Use this simple 3-part formula. Number 1, use a hook. Start with something interesting or relatable, like I just realized Excel errors teach you more about problem solving than any course ever could. Number 2, use body text to explain what you learned, built, or discovered. For example, today I used SQL to clean 1 lakh plus rows of messy HR data and it finally made sense. Number 3, include a clear call to action, a CTA. End your post with a question or thought to start a conversation. Maybe something along the lines of, what's the biggest data set you have cleaned so far? This simple structure keeps your post short, readable, and engaging, just like a story people actually want to read. Now that you know what makes a good post, let's actually write one. Start by going to your LinkedIn homepage and click Start a Post. You will see this text box pop up. This becomes your canvas. Once your draft is ready, make sure to proofread it once. Make some improvements, add a few hashtags, and you're done. If you can't think of exactly what to write, here's a pro tip. Use ChatGPT. Ask it to draft a LinkedIn post about your learning, project, or reflection. Then tweak it to add your personal touch. It's that simple. Once you're happy, hit post. And just like that, you've started building your LinkedIn presence. See, it's easier than it looks. Now, since we have learned what to post, the question arises, when and how often should you post? The answer? Not every day. Start with 1 or 2 posts a week. The goal is consistency, not frequency. If you're wondering when to post, mornings from 9 to 11 a.m. or evenings between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. usually get more visibility. If you miss a week, don't worry. Just pick up where you left off. The idea is to stay visible, not perfect. Posting is only half the story. The real magic happens when you engage. Comment on other people's posts, especially your peers, mentors, and recruiters. When you find an engaging post, say something thoughtful like, "This is such a useful tip. I tried something similar while building my dashboard." These small interactions build your visibility and relationships faster than you would think. Once you start posting, you will naturally attract more people to your profile. But don't wait. Take initiative. Follow hashtags like data science, Python for data, and analytics India. Connect with professionals in your domain. When you send a connection request, always add a note that says, "Hi, I'm learning data analytics and loved your post about data storytelling. Would love to connect." That one line shows sincerity and people appreciate that. After a few weeks, check your post analytics. Which posts got more likes or comments? Which topics got more views? That's your audience talking to you. Keep doing more of what works. That's how you build your brand over time. As you grow, your profile should grow with you. Add your new projects, certifications, and wins. Keep your headlines updated with skills like Python, SQL, Power BI, Tableau. And don't forget to add your top post or GitHub links in the featured section. The goal is to make your profile look alive, like someone who's learning, growing, and ready to contribute. Okay, now that you know what to post, let's talk about what not to. Because sometimes it's not just what you share, it's what you shouldn't. Don't post for the sake of posting. If you're sharing something, make sure it adds value. Random good morning posts or copied quotes don't really help your personal brand. Don't sound overconfident or fake. It's okay to show achievements, but show the journey behind them too. People connect with honesty more than perfection. Don't ignore your comments or DMs. If someone engages with your post, reply. That's how networks grow, not just by posting, but by talking. Don't overload your posts with hashtags. Stick to 3 to 4 relevant ones like data science, Python, AI, analytics. Otherwise, your post looks spammy. Don't use too much jargon. Write like you're explaining to a friend. Even if your project is complex, keep it simple and clear. Here's what I want you to remember. LinkedIn isn't just a platform to get noticed. It's a place to share your journey and build your voice. You don't have to be perfect. Just start posting. Talk about your learning, what you're struggling with, and what's next. The more you share, the more opportunities you will attract quietly while you keep growing. So go ahead, open LinkedIn, write that first post, and let your story start working for you.